Addiction is a chronic disease that affects the brain's reward, motivation, and memory functions. Someone with an addiction will crave a substance or other behavioral habits. They'll often ignore other areas of life to fulfill or support their desires. Addiction is a psychological and physical inability to stop consuming a chemical, drug, activity, or substance, even though it is causing them psychological and physical harm. India has a very high rate of addiction compared to the rest of the world, and that is around 2.1%, which means around 2.25 crores Indians have various types of addictions. Let's understand more about addiction by understanding its symptoms. Symptom number 1, craving and tolerance. No matter which drug you're addicted to, the uncontrollable craving to use grows more important than anything else, including family, friends, career, and even your own health and happiness. Your tolerance for the drug or alcohol goes up and you need more quantity to get the same high. Symptom number 2, losing control. You may have lack of control or inability to stay away from a substance or behavior with decreased socialization, like abandoning commitments or ignoring relationships and physical effects, like withdrawal symptoms or needing higher dose for effect. The degree of intensity for each sign may depend on how long the addiction has been going on. Symptom number 3, neglecting responsibilities. Life starts revolving around drug use and spend a lot of time using and thinking about drugs, figuring out how to get them and neglecting responsibilities at school, work, or home. Example, flunking classes, skipping work, neglecting your children. And using drugs under dangerous conditions or taking risks while high, such as driving while on drugs or stealing to support a drug habit, despite knowing it's hurting him. Symptom number 4, emotional variations. Even though the drug is causing major problems in your life, such as blackouts, infections, mood swings, depression, paranoia, but you continue to use it anyway. There are mental and emotional changes which happen when you are into addiction. And you may have sudden changes in mood, including aggressive behavior. You get irritated soon and fall into depression and anxiety with suicidal thoughts. If you have any of these symptoms, please seek help and visit a psychiatrist or a psychologist. The first step towards recovery or treating addiction is to recognize the fact that you have one. That takes tremendous courage and strength. Addiction treatment happens with the physical examination and detoxification. This is a stage where the client is medically assisted by a physician to wash out all the toxins from the client's body, and the process takes nearly 7 to 15 days. Once done with detoxification, a psychiatric evaluation will happen to understand their hormones and behavioral problems. Certain medications can be used to reduce cravings, improve mood, and decrease addictive behaviors. After that, the psychosocial treatment starts by the psychologist, and it is an important stage because it concentrates on therapy and digs into the reason why addiction actually happened. It includes individual counseling, family counseling, as well as group counseling, with psychosocial education on relapse prevention and sober living. Then, the self-help groups helps the recovering individual meet others with the same addictive disorder, which often boosts motivation and reduces feelings of isolation. They can also serve as a useful source of education, community, and information. Then lastly, when done with all the therapy and treatments, the client will become self-dependent to handle himself in all the situations in his life and to move into sober life. But he may have 80% chance of having relapse, so the regular follow-up sessions are needed.